Feeling tired all the time? Pale skin or frequent dizziness got you worried? You might be dealing with anemia. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll share 3 powerful diet tips to naturally boost your hemoglobin and energy levels. Stick around for some easy recipes too. Anemia happens when your body doesn't have enough healthy red blood cells to carry oxygen to your tissues. This can leave you feeling weak and tired. The most common causes? Iron deficiency, low vitamin B12 or folate levels. Symptoms: fatigue, pale skin, shortness of breath, dizziness. Key nutrients: iron, folate, vitamin B12. The great news? You can fix this with the right diet, and I'll tell you how. Top 3 nutritional strategies. Tip 1. Iron-rich foods. First up, load up on iron. You need it to make hemoglobin. Focus on heme iron from animal products like chicken liver or fish. Non-heme iron from plant-based foods like spinach, lentils, and tofu. Pro tip: pair non-heme iron with vitamin C, like squeezing lemon juice over spinach, to boost absorption. Tip 2. Folate boosters. Next is folate, a type of vitamin B crucial for red blood cell production. Add foods like beets, green leafy veggies, and avocados to your meals. A simple beet and carrot juice can work wonders. Tip 3. Vitamin B12 sources. Finally, don't skip vitamin B12. It's essential for preventing anemia. Add eggs, dairy, and fortified foods to your diet if you're vegetarian. For vegans, fortified plant milk or supplements can help. Lifestyle hacks for iron absorption. Here are some simple lifestyle tweaks to make the most of your diet. Do: pair iron-rich meals with vitamin C, like tomatoes or citrus. Don't: avoid tea, coffee, or calcium-rich foods right after eating iron-rich meals. Cooking in cast iron pans can add extra iron to your food. Give it a try. So, there you have it. 3 simple diet tips to fight anemia and feel your best. Which tip are you most excited to try? Comment below. I'd love to hear. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health and nutrition tips. See you next time.